This video explains how to use Rockwell Automation's device libraries in Studio 5000 View Designer. Use these methods to create PanelView 5000 HMI applications. The instructions in this video assume that you are already familiar with the basics of View Designer and you have already configured your controller code and communications. Now let's get started. To begin, find the HMI View Designer folder in the library files and open up the provided VPD file. Some libraries include more than one View Designer project file, so select the correct one to match your device category. If you're not sure, check the reference manual for details on which devices are included in which files. You will be copying elements from the library's View Designer project into your own project, so it works best if you open both projects side by side. They will also need to be opened in the same version of View Designer, so if your project is in a newer version than the minimum version supported by the library, you will need to upgrade the library project before you can use it. In the library project, you will be copying components from the user-defined screens and pasting them into your own project. First, copy any device faceplates that you will be using. These are the pop-up screens with names ending in FP. Paste the faceplate pop-ups into the user-defined screens folder in your target project. Next, open the toolbox screen if it isn't already open. This user-defined screen includes graphic symbols for the devices which are used as launch buttons for the faceplates. For some libraries, there may be more than one toolbox to help categorize and organize them. Select the graphic symbol that best suits your needs, then copy it and paste it onto a screen in your own project. You can continue repeating this process to build out your display. For example, here we have a simple system display including graphic symbols from the Power, Networks, and I/O device libraries. Next, you will need to link the graphic symbols to the correct tags in your Logix controller. Some devices like I/O modules do not have add-on instructions in the controller code. For these, you will link directly to the module's tags. For this output module, go to the Events tab in the Object Properties and find the pre-configured event to open a pop-up on release. The correct pop-up screen is already configured for you, so you just need to link the module input tag and module output tag properties to the correct I and O tags in the controller. Some modules may require only the input tags, and some special modules may require additional tags, so pay close attention to the property names or refer to the library's manual for complete details. Most other devices like this PowerFlex drive have add-on instructions in the controller code. These will be the tags that need to be linked. First, on the Properties tab of this graphic symbol, there is an AOI tag reference. Browse for your controller tags for the device's add-on instruction instance. Then click on the Events tag. Some devices may already have an event predefined with a specified pop-up display. In this case, this PowerFlex symbol is generic to represent a number of different model types, so it is up to you to configure the correct one. Start by using the Add Event drop-down menu to select a touch release event. Then in the Add command menu, expand navigation and choose Pop-up Open. Now you can define the exact pop-up display or faceplate to open. In the drop-down menu, expand the user-defined screens. This is where you previously copied the faceplate or FP pop-up screens. For this example, I am using a PowerFlex 755. Finally, you can link the AOI tag property to the device's add-on instruction instance in your controller tags. That's it. You can run your HMI application and see that the graphic symbols launch the correct device faceplates. It's worth noting that descriptions on the faceplates, like the pop-up title and the I/O channel descriptions, are linked to the extended tag property tag descriptions from the Logix controller. Your operators now have access to everything they need, from commissioning and monitoring devices to troubleshooting faults and even advanced diagnostics like predictive maintenance indicators, energy consumption data, and more. Check out all of our device library videos for more information and tutorials, and download all of these libraries for free today from Rockwell Automation's Download Center at rockwellautomation.com.